like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid.
I've been broke for 27 years, I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake, bitch. That's how I know you fake. Get it straight.
I'm back, guys. This is part 3 of the all-wheel drive build. So right now I'm working on the subframe. For everybody that don't know, you need an EG subframe to be able to make this build happen. Right now this is a powder coated subframe, so we're trying to keep as much rust out of the build as possible. This is a brand new rack and pinion. I'm putting it together, so just watch as I go along putting it together. Right here we run into an issue, guys, and the issue was the rubber piece was not correct in the right spot that it needed to be, so we had to use a rubber mallet to adjust it into place. But that's about the only issue we ran into. And now we're just moving on to tying the rack and pinion. This is an EG subframe, so keep that in mind. You will need this for a case swap, especially if you're going all-wheel drive. You will need the EG subframe. Right now you see me doing the spacers. This is again the EG spacer, so you will need all the bolts and everything that comes with the EG subframe. You will no longer need anything from the EK, so keep that in mind when you are doing a swap. This moment, you guys gonna be seeing my daughter grabbing my tools, so that was another issue I was running into. My daughter thought she had to work on her car too, so she was messing with my tools. For the people that are wondering, I'm using the manual rack and pinion just because it's gonna be a cleaner. It's gonna look cleaner. You're not gonna have all the holes and all those things run across your firewall. So using a manual rack and pinion, you also gonna need the spacers in the bolts from a EG, because it's gonna be longer bolts than the EK, so keep that in mind. I'm trying to give you as much information as I can for the people that are wanting to do this in the future. Next, we are moving to the EG control arms, both new. side note. So right here, if you're looking at the bushing will tell you what side is. It's either left or right. So if you pay attention to that, the bushing will tell you which side it is. That way, if you find yourself confused, just look at the back of the bushing. It's gonna tell you. Alright guys, so right now just applying the finishing touches, just tying everything up, just so we can get this done and put it away so we can move to the next phase of the build. And here we're gonna be installing the outer tie rods. Again, it's gonna tell you what side, either left side or right side. It's gonna tell you by having the letters on it, either an L for the left side or an R for the right side. So just something to pay attention to. Again, there's no way to get confused if you pay attention to those things. And that's it, guys. We done.
When I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please. I'm trying to get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please. I'm trying to get paid.
I've been broke for 27 years. I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake. Bitch, that's how I know you fake.